Hello and welcome. Welcome back sa lahat ng aking mga kapatid dito. Thank you guys for keep tuning in to any of my readings. I love you guys. Namimiss ko kayo. Palagi po yan. Parang ilang taon tayong hindi nagkita o hindi nag-reading dito. Namimiss ko kayo guys, mga kapatid. Kahit saan man ako napupunta, lagi akong worried dahil hindi ako nakapag-reading. I'm sure yung iba sa inyo dito, naghihintay palagi kung kailan ako mag-reading. Thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito, sa mga tumatangkilik. Mahal na mahal ko kayo guys, and pasensya na kung hindi man ako nakapag-comment or nakapag-respond sa lahat ng mga nagko-comment dito, or thank you talaga. Sorry talaga mga kapatid kasi busy po ang kapatid ninyo, trabaho, may gathering dito, Thanksgiving, yes, and I am currently living abroad, and full-time mom, trabaho, nag-aalaga sa mga anak during the day, sa gabi naman ay nagtatrabaho. So ano ba? Ganun talaga, no? So, at least nagbibigay pa rin ako ng oras para sa inyo. Kasi I know, kayo dito ay kailangan nyo rin ng mensahe from the universe. So, I'm getting, guys, meron ditong tao, nakuha na akong energy na, for some reason, you need to hear this. This is very specific. Again, guys, kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate. Kung hindi naman, para yun sa iba. Wag lang po nating lahatin. Pakilakasan na lang po as a reminder, no? Pakilakasan na lang po ng reading ng volume ng reading na ito, dahil alam kong iba-iba ang inyong gamit na gadgets. I'm sure yung iba dito nahinaan, paki-bluetooth na lang po sa ibang gadgets, no, while listening to this reading or any of my readings, kasi nga medyo mahina sa iba. So pasensya na mga kapatid, wag po tayong bitter, bawal ang bitter. So alamin natin kung bakit ba parang may magsusumbong. I'm getting like someone parang may gustong mag-report sa inyo or may sasabihin ang taong ito. Magsusumbong or may sasabihin. Alamin natin. This is timeless and collective, mga kapatid, ha. Again, guys, wag nyo lang pong lahatin at wag tayong bitter. For some reason, okay, Spirit Guardian Angels, ano itong, sino tong taong darating? Okay, Page of Swords. Ano itong reverse? Okay. I-shuffle ko lang guys ha. Kahit kunin natin mga reverse, hindi reverse. Kasi I'm sure yung iba dito kailangan ng reverse. Iba yung energy. Alright. Ano pa yan? Parang hirap naman nata akong gamitin tong barahang ito. Meron ito parang hindi kampante. Parang worried. I don't know why you feeling worried. Okay. It could be worried about moving, paglilipat, relocating. Siguro may mag-end na trabaho. Worried dahil hindi masuportahan ang mga responsibility, mga bills, anak, finances. Worried dahil, I don't know, something about like, pagkalayo sa kapartner. That could be you. Dahil malayo ka sa partner mo, baka maghanap ng iba. Worried ka siguro dahil this could be related sa... Kaya pinapanood mo itong reading nito dahil worried ka, dahil baka related sa relationship, ano. Yeah. So, guys, buckle up. Huwag tayong magalit. At ito ay hula lamang. Hindi naman kasiguraduhan, ano. So, yes. Kasi meron ditong iba na worried, baka magkatotoo yung hinala, no. Sorry, guys, ha. I don't know. I'm getting that energy. Pero meron ditong, I don't know, anxious. Hindi mapakali. Tuloy ako, hindi rin ako mapakali sa inyo. Dahil nakukuha ko yung energy mo. Meron itong nanginginig na. Bakit ka nga ba worried, kapatid? Relax lang. Ito ay hula lamang. Okay? Yeah, relax lang. King of Wands, cool ka lang. You are truly magnetic, beautiful, fashionista. Meron itong guwapo. Yeah. Meron itong kinokopya ka. Wow. May nag-admire sa'yo. You are kind of person admirable. Meron kasi itong napaka-fashionista or passionate. Yeah. Or a sweet, active, laging gala. You could be fire sign, Leo, yung iba dito, or air sign. Yeah. An earth sign. So, ano pa? Gamit tayo ng ibang baraha kasi parang nanginginig ako sa kabilang baraha. I don't know, energy of nanginginig. Bakit ka nga ba nanginginig? Siguro sa weather, ano, malamig. Di ba dito? Okay. Spirit guide angels. Kalma kapatid, kalma. Ano, tungkol saan itong isusumbong sana sa ating collective? Tungkol saan ito? Meron ditong struggle. Yeah. Pero sa struggle mo, naging matatag ka, no? Naging more on a fighter. Feeling alone. Siguro may mga taong umalis sa buhay mo o tinanggal mo sa buhay mo. Siguro binablock mo na itong mga taong ito, kaya ngayon ay feeling at peace ka na. Yeah. Minsan may mga struggle ka man, pero you are thriving, no? Mas nagiging matatag ka, palaban. Okay. It's okay, guys, mga kapatid, kahit nag-iisa lang, ano? Kasi it's better na mag-isa ka na lang, a single parent, or in general, ano, being an individual. It's best na sarilihin mo na lang, no? Yeah. I don't know what is it all about, but siguro sa mga projects, relationship, it's best na mag-isa ka na lang kaysa sa to be in a relationship. Kasi struggle lang, ano, puro away, gulo, problema. Ngayon na mag-isa ka na lang, less hassle, less problem. So, comment below kung ikaw itong struggle or you choose to be alone. It's best to be alone. So, comment ka dito. Alam kong ikaw to. Whoever you are. Nasa-sense kita, kapatid. Yeah, so, yeah. Yung iba kasi dito, guys, mga kapatid, again, may mga realization sa inyo dito. Realization na mas kalmado ako ngayon, madam, kapatid, na mag-isa, single parent, single dad, single mom, or walang boyfriend, no relationship, kasi mas gumaganda, self-care, self-love, may kumukopya siya, kapatid, ha, may inspired. You are becoming more inspirable because after all ng iyong mga struggle, no, struggle sa pag-ibig, relationship, sa sarili, or work, studies, yes, mas nagiging matatag ka pa, lumalaban ka pa, no? At mas gumagwapo ka. Hindi ka mukhang, sabihin natin na struggle, hindi nakikita yan ng mga tao. And I'm also getting like, mas na-inspired pa sila sa'yo dahil alam ng mga tao or narinig nila ang mga paghihirap mo, ang mga pagsubok mo, no? Mas naging inspired or na-inspired pa sila tungkol sa naririnig nila o nakikita nila tungkol sa iyo. Yes, Queen of Wands. Ang dami mong na-achieve, kitang-kita ng mga tao, mas naging masaya ka, mas gumagwapo ka, mas naging leader type ka pa, mas naging, I don't know, nagta-travel ka na lang. Yeah, hindi talaga nila nakita na deep down, nahihirapan ka. They are just watching you from afar, or siguro sa social media, no? Like again, guys, people are stalking, inistok ka siguro ng mga taong ito, and what they saw is what they get. Nakikita nilang masaya ka, marami kang na-achieve, like again, inspired sila sa iyo. Whatever you did, yes, some people or someone very specific want to be like you or inspired by you. They like watching you. Siguro, like, you could be like a boss or like a leader type, or a social media influencer. Yes, they'd rather to watch you because you are inspirable. Yeah, lahat ng mga struggle, sabihin natin na, I don't know kung ano yung mga pinopost mo sa social media or ano yung pinapakita mo, because someone here very specific, nakukuha ko yung energy na-inspired sila sa iyo dahil ikaw yung tao na, you might give them a lesson. You taught them to learn. You taught them so many things. You're like a teacher for them. Like again, you're like a model. Yeah, a teacher, a model. Ang daming na-inspired sa iyo. Yeah, nawawala yung problema nila tungkol sa iyo. I don't know what you are showing online. Like again, what they saw is what they get. And again, they are inspired by you. Yeah. Okay, happiness. Ang pinapakita mo siguro, lagi kang nakangiti, happy, no? Yeah. Okay. All happiness. Mayaman, mapera, successful, guwapo, gumaganda, nagta-travel na lang, or matalino, marami silang natutunan tungkol sa iyo. Yes, you are knowledgeable, grounded. You choose to work alone. You are a kind of person very, anong tawag dito? Independent. Yeah, you are truly independent and that's why these people are inspired by you or proud. Proud sila sa nakikita nila sa iyo. Okay. Yeah, so let's find out, mga kapatid. Okay, ano itong gustong sasabihin ng taong ito sa iyo? May gustong isusumbong, may gustong magsumbong. What is this all about na isusumbong? Spirit guide angels? What is this all about na isusumbong sa ating mga collective? Turmoil, trouble, unexpected, shocking. There will be a shocking news. Oh my God. Alright. Shocking news. What is this shocking news about? Hold on, guys. Okay. Alright, Spirit guide angels, what is this shocking news na malalaman ng ating mga collective? Shocking news. Like again, guys, huwag kang matakot. Relax ka lang. Uminom ka ng tubig. Whoever you are. Yeah, breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Relax yung isipan mo, no? Whoever you are. I don't know. Nakuhanan ko talaga yung kinakabahan dito. Not, I don't know, anxiety, fear, takot na takot. I don't know what you're worried about. You need to let go, let God. Mag-pray ka. Or kailangan mo na siguro magsimba. Baka lately hindi ka na nagsisimba. Okay. So, 6 of Wands. Shocking news. Yes, I don't know, something about sa social media or sa balita. Meron dito sa inyo, I don't know, you might be getting a reward. Yes, meron ito magsusumbong, you maybe makaka-receive ka ng a reward or somebody's going to tell you na, hey, collective, may news ako sa'yo, this and that, whatever it is, no? This will be about your victory, achievement. Masyasyak ka dito, masyakira ka dito, kapatid. Hindi ka maniniwala. Like again, guys, maniwala ka man o sa hindi, you are receiving this shocking news about this achievement. A lot of people are inspired. Like again, guys, maraming na-inspired sa'yo. If you are a social media influencer, maraming mag-admire sa'yo, maraming mag-subscribe sa'yo, o maraming manunood sa iyong mga video. Or this could be a reward. Magugulat ka, you are receiving a reward. Maybe somebody's going to spill the beans. Yes. Or magugulat ka dito dahil it might trouble you to some of you. Yes. You are thriving. Yeah. Good news. Masyakira ka dito sa good news. Alright? Alamin natin kung ano tong good news na ito. This could be good news about paperwork, marriage. Yeah. Whatever you pray, meron itong prayered answer. Okay. Let's find out more. Alright, Spirit guide angels, what is this more? Shocking news na marireceive na ating mga collective. Shocking news. Shocking news. Ano itong isusumbong ng taon ito sa ating mga collective? May magsusumbong. Like again, guys, may magsusumbong sa inyo tungkol sa inyong victory. May mga warnings. Yung iba dito, stay grounded. Be selective. Be more patient. Okay. Yeah. Like again, karamihan dito sa inyo is good news. Could be also, meron naman ditong may babalik. Or celebrity, baka magulat dito, biglaan kang biglang maging celebrity, ano? Yeah, well known. Baka may biglang mag-email, mag-message, mag-invite, or something, I don't know, becoming more a leader. It could be related sa work, sa school, or sa social media. Meron ito magbo-boom ang iyong social media. Yes, marami magpa-follow sa iyo. And meron naman dito magiging celebrity. Magulat ka na lang, maging celebrity ka na. Yeah, well known. Okay. Number 10, red, forgive. Wow. Marami, okay, meron naman dito mangliligaw. A reward. A gifts. Marami magbibigay sa iyo ng reward. Gifts. Siguro may hihingi ng pagpapatawad sa'yo, or may biglang, it could be a celebrity, baka vice versa, baka may celebrity na mag-approach sa'yo, kausapin ka. You will be shocked about this person. Yeah, may taong mag-approach sa'yo, kausapin ka, na magugulat ka. It shock you. This person could be a boss, a celebrity, or in a government, or someone na hindi ka maniniwala basta-basta sa taong ito. Or magugulat ka. Deep down, masayang-masaya ka, no? But somehow is, para bang mapapatulala ka na lang. Siguro crush mo rin, very strong here. It could be love, no? Crush mo siguro, or matagal mo nang hinintay ang taong ito, or somehow is, it's too good to be true. Yung iba, like again guys, masyakira ka dito. It's too good to be true na this person, a celebrity, it could be a president, or a mayor, or someone is a leader, the boss, is approaching you, or I don't know, baka may ibibigay sa'yo, kakausapin ka, meron ditong biglang sasayaw, mapapasayaw ka bigla, no? Sa taong or sa message. Yeah. Bigla kang mapapasayaw, mapapakanta sa matatanggap mo. Although na magulat ka, mapapasayaw ka na lang sa tuwa. Wow. It's kind of like celebration, ano? Yeah, to receive this reward, or a person. Too good to be true, yung crush mo, kausapin ka, biglang ligawan ka, or yung boss, yes, or celebrity, biglang magtawag sa'yo, kausapin ka, or a company, something na magulat ka at mashock ka, no? Yeah, or a boss. Okay. Alamin pa natin. Alright. Spirit Angels, let's find out more. What else more, Spirit Angels? May magsusumbong, a message. Okay. Shocking news. Who is this person? Sino itong tao na lalapit or mag-approach sa ating mga collective? Na magbibigay ng mensahe na ikakagulat sa ating mga collective. So, wow. Meron itong mapapakanta, no? I love you, baby. Yeah, nanay. Meron tayong nanay. Magugulat ka, mapapasayaw ka. Shocking news. May sasabihin si nanay mo. Kapitbahay na lalaki. Okay, partner mong lalaki. Yung partner mo, may sasabihin sa'yo. This could be related about marriage here. Yes, marriage or travel. I'm getting like a travel here. Yeah. Or may magbibigay na pagkain, gifts, may mangliligaw. Something about like, mapapatulala ka na lang dahil hindi ka makapaniwala dito. Friend mong lalaki. Okay. Kapitbahay, someone here, very strong here, kapitbahay. Kapitbahay na babae or lalaki. Yeah. This person's coming soon, approach you, magugulat ka, masyak. Again, twin flame. Yes, twin flame. Siguro lately walang communication. This person's maybe okay, something about galit ka siguro sa taong ito or ayaw mo siyang kausapin, but this person's been thinking about you. Kaya ikaw naman ay focus ka sa mga responsibility mo, work, studies, finances, self-care, self-love. You are thriving, but this person's thinking about you, stalking you. This could be related sa iyong twin flame. Your twin flame is manifesting you or coming. Maybe this person, I don't know, you might be dealing with a person that is like a celebrity type or well-known. And this person's coming, yeah, mag-approach sa'yo, kausapin ka, at masyakira ka na lang when this person's coming. Kapitbahay, wow, ano ba to? Bakit ba naglabasan ng mga kapitbahay? Yeah. Okay, ex-coworker, magugulat ka dito, exes. Okay, schoolmate. Yeah. I'm getting like, magugulat ka dahil baka may biglang mag-confess. Yeah. Masyakira ka dito mga kapatid, no? Masyakira ka sa kanya dahil it's too good to be true na magko-confess ang taong ito. Na, I don't know, whatever this person's going to confess. It could be their feeling, their love, or confession about, I don't know, work-related. Like again, guys, there is like celebrity here, or it's time to celebrate. You will be celebrating this shocking news, good news. There might be delayed. Baka yung iba sa inyo dito ay matatagalan pa. But again, worth it naman. Yeah, I think you just have to focus on what you are doing right now. Okay? Huwag tayo maghintay. You don't have to wait about this good news or this person because darating lang ito, biglaan, at magugulat ka na lang. Later on, hindi ka makapaniwala. Para bang, nananaginip ba ako? Sampalin ko nga yung mukha ko. Magpapasampal kaya ako. Baka nananaginip lang ako. It's a feeling like that. Nung hindi ka makapaniwala, it's too good to be true. So, kumanta ka na lang. Kanta, magsayaw, magzumba. Yeah. What else? Sino pa? Okay. Hold on, guys. Our spirit ka rin niya. Sino ito magbibigay or lalapit sa ating mga collective soon na masyasakira sila, magugulat sa good news. Sino itong taong ito? Let's get more. Okay, biglang tumalon. Meron tayong ditong kaibigan mong babae. This person's going to tell you something na magugulat ka, no? Kaibigan. Yeah, puro friends. Okay. Jobless ang taong ito ay walang trabaho. Okay. A dealer. Maybe this person's going to make a deal with you. Around 40s. Okay, girl, hater. May hater ka. So, watch out. Masyak ka dito dahil ang taong itong, alam mo na ayaw sa'yo ang taong ito or kalaban mo. This could be ex-coworker but biglang lapitan ka, no? Baka mag-sorry din ito. Or, somehow is kausapin ka at magulat ka na lang. A driver. This person's driver. Kaklase na laki o baka maybe this person own a vehicle, motorcycle, sasakyan kahit anong sasakyan kasi driver. Driver, sweet lover. Like again, confirm, twin flame. Malakas dito ang twin flame or kapitbahay and ex-coworker. Yeah, so may partner tayo dito, kapitbahay, nanay, friend na lalaki, twin flame, kaibigan, jobless, dealer, 40s, girl, hater, driver, kaklase. Yeah, schoolmate. So, let's get the initials. Who's this person approaching na masikirang at mga collective? Who's this person? We have here letter L, E, H, and one more. Okay, F. Again, X. May mga X's tayo dito. I and Y. So, kuha tayo ng zodiac sign. Who is this person, spirit angels, na masakirang ating mga collective? Okay, nalalapit. Sharing news, mag-report. Okay, may sasabihin. So, okay. Leo, again guys, confirm Leo. Nasabi ko yan kanina. We have Leo, fire sign. Number 5, could be May. Yeah. Taurus, Capricorn, 10, could be November. Oh no, it could be October. So, it could be on the 5th, on the 10th, or 5 weeks. It could be 5 hours. Kasi meron itong within 5 hours, 10 hours. Like again guys, 5 and 10. Or maybe during Leo time or Capricorn. Yung iba dito sa inyo, it takes time pa, no? May delayed pa dito, but there will be like worth it naman na itong news na balita na matatanggap ninyo, it will be like a wish come true. Yung iba dito, ma-achieve mo itong goal, maybe may reward. Makatanggap ka siguro ng reward, and yes, you will be feeling successful, complete, happy. Yeah. Something about like, itong pinaghihirapan, no? Something about na pinaghihirapan mo is worth it. Yes, dahil marireceive mo itong good news na ito or result. Yeah, good result after all. So, message, final message, yes or no before our reading ends. Okay, Spirit Angels, advice at mga collective message, yes or no. Pause ang reading na ito mga kapatid and the answer will be yes or no. Okay. Okay. We have here, yes, a routine. Patient, practical, loyal, responsible, persistent, protective, defensive, conservative, stubborn, ambitious, hard worker, prophet, finishing what you start. So again, guys, continue on what you are already finished, already started, because soon it will be worth it for you. You will be receiving this message. Like again, may delayed. May matatagalan pa dito. It takes time. It could be 5 hours. It could be 5, 10 days, hours, weeks, or months. Yung iba dito. Alright? So, prepare yourself and keep whatever you're doing because it's working. And focus on what you're doing. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. I do hope nag-enjoy kayo sa reading na ito. I love you guys. And affirm this. Good news and reward from the universe or good news from the person. Alright, so I love you guys and I do hope to see you guys in my next reading. And thank you. At mag-ingat po kayo palagi. Bye!